Good day, I'm Maye Reyes from grade 12 St. Thomas, and this is my oral presentation for Inquiries and Investigation. The title of the study, The Effects of Academic Stress on the Academic Performance of Grade 9 and Grade 10 Students of SPCB. The study aimed to determine the effects of academic stress on the academic performance of grades 9 and 10 students of SPCB. For the main problem of the study, what is the effect of academic stress on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students of SPCB? Here we have 5 specific questions. Number 1, what is the profile of the respondent students in terms of academic stress and academic performance? Number 2, which academic stress is experienced the most and the least? Number 3, how are grade 9 and grade 10 students compared in terms of academic stress? Number 4, is there a significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress and under distress? Number 5, is there a significant difference in the academic performance in terms of academic stress? For the findings of the main problem, the t-statistics resulted to negative 0.19 and the critical value resulted to 2.26. The t-statistics is less than the critical value, therefore, it is concluded that academic stress has no effect on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students of SPCB. So now we are going to answer the 5 specific questions we have a while ago. Question number 1. What is the profile of the respondent students in terms of academic stress and academic performance? So here we can see Table 2 and Table 5, frequency and percentage distribution of the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 respondents in terms of academic stress. For the findings, the table shows that the respondents that are under eustress answered 42% very satisfactory, 34% satisfactory, 14% outstanding, 10% fairly satisfactory, and 5% did not meet expectations, while the respondents that are under distress answered the same percentage of 43% very satisfactory and as well satisfactory, 8% outstanding, 6% fairly satisfactory, and 5% did not meet expectations. Conclusion: most of the respondents that are experiencing eustress and distress are satisfied with their academic performance. For question number 2, which academic stress is experienced the most and the least? So here we can see table number 1, frequency and percentage distribution of respondents in terms of academic stress. For the findings, the table shows that the respondents from grade 9 that are experiencing stress are 59% eustress and 41% distress, while the respondents from grade 10 that are experiencing academic stress are 76% eustress and 24% distress. In conclusion, the most experienced academic stress for both grade 9 and grade 10 is eustress, while the least experienced academic stress is distress. Question number 3. How are grade 9 and grade 10 students compared in terms of academic stress? So we can see here again, table number 1, frequency and percentage distribution of respondents in terms of academic stress. For the findings, the table shows that grade 9 and grade 10 students are compared by the academic stress that they are experiencing. 43% of the respondents that are experiencing eustress are from grade 9, while 57% are from grade 10. 62% of the respondents that are experiencing distress are from grade 9 and 38% are from grade 10. In conclusion, the grade 9 and grade 10 students are compared by the academic stress that they are experiencing, which are eustress and distress. Question number 4.A. Is there a significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress? Hypothesis: there is no significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress. There is a significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress. Question number 4.A. Is there a significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under use stress? Here we can see table number 3. Weighted mean of the academic performance of grade 9 respondents with use stress. And here we can see table number 6. Weighted mean of the academic performance of grade 10 respondents with use stress. You can go back to table number 3 so that you can see it clearly. Table number 3. And here we have table number 6. For the findings, that these statistics resulted to negative 1.14 and the critical value resulted to 2.78. It is less than the critical value, therefore, it is concluded to accept the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis is there is no significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under use stress. Statistical tool used, inferential statistic t-test. Question number 4.B. Is there a significant difference? Question number 4.B. Is there a significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under distress? Hypothesis. There is no significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under distress. There is a significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under distress. Question number 4.B. Is there a significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under distress? Here we can see table number 4, weighted mean of the academic performance of grade 9 respondents with distress. And table number 7, weighted mean of the academic performance of grade 10 respondents with distress. Can go back to table number 4 here. Table number 4 for grade 9. And table number 7 for grade 10. Findings. That these statistics resulted to 2.21 and the critical value resulted to 2.78. It is less than the critical value, therefore, it is concluded to accept the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis, there is no significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under distress. Statistical tool used, inferential statistic t-test. Question number 5. Is there a significant difference in the academic performance in terms of academic stress? So here we can see table number 2 and table number 5. Frequency and percentage distribution of the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 respondents in terms of academic stress. Hypothesis. There is no significant difference in the academic performance in terms of academic stress. There is a significant difference in the academic performance in terms of academic stress. Findings. That these statistics resulted to 1.27 and the critical value resulted to 12.71. It is less than the critical value, therefore, it's concluded to accept the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis, there is no significant difference in the academic performance in terms of academic stress. Statistical tool use, inferential statistic t-test. So, there you go. That is my oral presentation for inquiries and investigation. Thank you, God bless, and stay safe.